Okay, so it's Thanksgiving time, so we decided to get this digital meat thermometer for our turkey. We chose this one over a regular meat thermometer because this has a long cable that allows you to actually monitor the temperature while the turkey is inside the oven. So, according to the package, it even comes with a AAA battery to use with a thermometer. And the thermometer supports temperatures as hot as 572 Fahrenheit or 300 Celsius. So we're going to go ahead and open this box up and test it out on our turkey. So here's the battery and the thermometer's LCD display. Let's see if there are any instructions. Okay, so I like how the instructions includes diagrams and pictures. The steps are also numbered, which I appreciate. All right, so let's take a look at the unit. The LCD display is a good size and there's only 4 buttons, so it should be pretty straightforward. On the side is where you would plug in the cable that is connected to the probe. And around back, there's a hook at the top so you can hang the unit. You can also set the temperature to either Fahrenheit or Celsius. And then here's where you would insert the battery, which we'll go ahead and do right away. I really appreciate that this thermometer came with a battery, so you don't have to go out and spend more money to get one. We'll close that up, and then now let's go ahead and plug the cable in. So it looks like you need to push it in far enough that it clicks. And once plugged in, you can see the LCD display. Now let's take a quick look at the probe. There's a little plastic cap that we'll need to remove. And here's what the probe looks like. It's stainless steel with a pointy end. So here we have our turkey. It's only been in the oven for a short while and the skin has started to brown. We'll go ahead and take it out and set it onto the countertop so we can insert the probe. We'll give it a good jab and see how deep we can get this thing in. And now let's double check the settings. On the LCD display, you can see that the turkey is currently at 135 degrees Fahrenheit, and the target temperature that we want to reach is 165 Fahrenheit. So we're ready to pop the turkey back into the oven. Make sure that the probe is still inserted into the turkey, then carefully close the oven door while allowing the nylon cable to hang outside the oven door. You can see the nylon cable is pretty long, so that will come in handy. We can either leave the unit on the countertop or we can actually stick it onto the front of the oven door because the back is actually magnetized. Okay, so we're back and the turkey has reached its target temperature, so we're going to remove the turkey from the oven. We're going to open the oven, carefully move the cable out of the way, and then we'll take the turkey out. You can see it's already fully cooked and there was no guessing, and we didn't have to keep opening the oven, taking the temperature, and to keep checking it. Now we're ready to enjoy our meal. Just make sure you use your oven mitts to remove the probe or let it cool down first before removing it from the turkey.